Hey, we got some deliveries. We're going to open them up. We believe it's for the Safari Jeep, so we'll call this Safari Jeep Part 2, I believe. Unboxing the items we're going to put on next. So let's get to it. Let's open some boxes and see what we got today. Hey guys, we got something for the Jeep in a box. Look at that. We got a box right there. What's in the box? What could be in this box, huh? Well, let's rip her open and see what we got. Yeah, we got a box, all right. It looks like we got a can in here, huh? Look at that, we got two of them. Yeehaw. Now look at that, man. Looks like we got cans. Have to rip these open. There they are. We got our jerry cans for our Jeep. So you could stare, you can see it. Okay, so everything we're putting on comes from this Hooke Road. All right, this is where we got all the stuff. We got it from different places, some from Amazon, some from eBay. But this is the brand of all of the components we're going to be putting on in these videos coming up. All right, we got some tools to cut up in the boxes. Let's start with this small one. Wow, they got this strapped and taped. Boy, we did pack this good so far. Although you can see she's kind of eaten through right here, so doesn't look damaged. But hey, let's try something different here. New approach. Oh, we know what these are. Look at that. Okay, so here's what these are. These are for our jerry cans. So these are to mount our jerry cans on our Jeep. Got them jerry cans right there. So this, we actually need these last. Looks like they protected their corners pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. Well, they packed that down nice. Bolts, nuts, and hardware. Looks like that's here. This one's in beautiful shape. Put that back. Save our instructions in there. Let's open this one up. Look at that. That'll go on there like that. So that's a good thing. All right, so we got those. Let's see what this is like. Again, see how they taped them? Did a nice job. Yeehaw. There's the tire carrier. looks in great shape. Very good. Then we got this one, which is extremely heavy, it says. And it looks it. So again, we got a little hole here. Oh, look at this. We got spiders coming out of the box. Look at that. Where we got a place to put the bumper when we take it out. We got our parts boxes. We got some instructions. How to put it on, how to take it off, all the tools we need. There you go. Oh, they can't get it to come out of the box. Alright, we got this piece, telescoping adjustable tire piece. That's perfect. Alright, let's get the bag open. Be careful here not to scratch the paint anywhere. Where my spider went, but hey, that's all right. Unwrap this as much as we can here. I think we need the knife anymore. Set that down. Yeah, this is going to be hard to get on. This weighs a ton. Oh yeah, that looks very nice. Push this in just a little bit here. Very nice, very nice. All right, there's the bumper. Looks to be in excellent shape. The tire guard also in excellent shape. Our two cans came in good shape. Maybe we're going to paint those to match the green on the Jeep. We got our parts boxes with it, and we got these. So I think we got everything here to do the back. So stay tuned. In the next video, we're going to do the dismantling of the old bumper and taking the tire off, and then we'll start mounting the new stuff. All right, like and subscribe, post notifications on. You want to see the install. We'll go through how to take the bumper off your current Jeep very carefully because it's all original. We're going to save the parts. And then we'll talk about how we're going to put on the new stuff. I'm going to try to do it as a one-man show to show you how you do it if you're working by yourself. All right, and eventually we'll wire up those lights. We'll get those jerry cans mounted. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. See you in the next video.